again and welcome to part 5 of the Alicia's Rose Garden crochet along. We're going to do in this part of excuse me, of the project, the rows from here to here. I'm just showing both of the colourways that I've worked this blanket in so far. We did work a video, or I did work a video for part 5 on this one here, but unfortunately for some reason it didn't save properly and it wouldn't upload to YouTube, so I've quickly worked up another one colour blanket in a variegated yarn, and I'm going to carry on and work these rows on the new one. I'll do each row in a different colour so that you can see the stitches more clear, and I will just refer back to the colours that I would have used on this particular colourway if this is the one that you're following.